So right now I'm trying to activate my copy of Windows 10, but the dilemma that I get is I constantly end up talking to a person just to read out the numbers rather than just talking to the old Microsoft robot. So if I go SLUI 4, enter, we get this, select your region. I am from Australia, if you couldn't tell by my accent. Australia, next, bingo, installation ID details. Now if we go to the phone and give Microsoft a call, these are the steps that I need to do to get straight to the robot.
Welcome to Microsoft's Product Innovation Center. To help us improve the quality of our products, services, and
Gotta wait the
training, this
mandatory
call
20
may be
seconds.
recorded or monitored. And information collected on this call may be accessed by Microsoft affiliates, subsidiaries, and service providers internationally. If you do not consent to having your call recorded or monitored, please hang up and visit support.microsoft.com for alternative service options. To activate Windows, press 1. To activate Office for Mac, press 2. For other Office products or for PC games, press 3.
So we're obviously
For
pressing
all
1.
other questions, such as if you're trying to activate Windows 10, press 1. Otherwise, press 2.
Yes, I want to activate.
If you have previously upgraded to Windows 10, press 1.
Now the
Otherwise, press 2.
wording of that question makes it sound like this had Windows 7 or 8 prior, but no, I do want to press 1.
I didn't get that. Now, when you try to activate, if you've got an error code and you have that error code handy, press 1. Otherwise, press 2.
Well, I don't have an error code, so I'll press 2.
If you are at your computer with the activation screen open, press 1. Otherwise, press 2.
Press 1. And then we're there. So the wording of that
I didn't
question
get that.
doesn't help.
If you are at your computer with the activation... Okay, now take a look at your screen. I'll ask you to tell me the installation ID. The installation ID is a long number broken into several groups. I'll ask you for one group.
So that's how we ended up getting to the robot. So the wording of that question doesn't help. It says if you've previously upgraded to Windows 10. Well, no, I've just done a fresh install of Windows 10 and I'm just wanting to activate it. So the wording of that Microsoft question throws me off every time, and I usually end up talking to a Microsoft technician. The techs themselves I don't have an issue with, they're just doing their job. But the annoying thing is just the constant reading of numbers. If there was an SMS version or even a live chat version of it, entering the numbers and activating would be a hell of a lot quicker. So I do feel like Microsoft does need to improve that. But the short of this video is, they're the steps you have to follow to get talking to the activation robot at Microsoft. I hope this helps you. I know it's going to help me in the future because I'm going to forget the combination I had to do, and I can look back at this. So anyway, future Rick, everyone else, catch you guys in the next video. Bye.